Jessi Johnson with eXp, and today's hosted video tour takes you to Unit 409 in Forest Ridge in beautiful sunny South Surrey. With almost 1,500 square feet of indoor and outdoor living year-round, let's start with the patio. Whether you're burning food on the barbecue, reading a book of useless information, sipping a glass of wine, or all at the same time, this huge enclosed patio allows for year-round enjoyment. Built in 2020, this almost brand new condo is available for you to call home. This pet-friendly building allows not one, but two fuzzy butts, up to 30 pounds each. 30 pounds each. The two bedrooms are really far apart, which is fantastic for privacy. No one's gonna hear your sexy time sounds. The view from one of the bedrooms is to die for, or correction, shall I say, live for. Check out forestridge409.com for all the details. This property will definitely be sold by the end of this month. Act now or forever hold your peace. I'm Jessi Johnson. Have a nice day. I do for marketing. How to burn your eyebrows 101. The view from the bedroom. No, actually, no, let me do it again. From one up. Okay, ready? Okay. No. I'll get more. Okay. Blooper. Oh, that was not nearly as climactic as I expected.